Aloha everyone, how are you? Say, it's me Charlie, and I'm reviewing this toilet brush holder by HSXJJ. Now this is a metal stainless steel brush holder, and it has electro gold plating on it. It comes with a regular brush head that's just like a regular toilet brush head, and it also comes with a second replacement that you just screw on. Now let me show it to you. Here it is. It's quite beautiful for a toilet brush holder. Usually this is something I would hide, but here I want this one on display. It's very pretty for a toilet brush holder. Now it has a cup here for the brush. This is ceramic. It is not plastic, which surprised me. It has a nice little trim on the side, Greek trim I believe. And then it has the silicone here to hold the cup in the metal. This is also stainless steel that's been gold plated, and it has this crystal. I can't tell. I think this is really glass. And this little knob just screws in. It comes separate, but you just screw it in. And there's the whole setup right there. For a stainless steel, for a toilet brush holder, it's very, very beautiful. It's very, very nice looking. And I have a marble shelf here for my toilet paper. I have black and gold trim. So this goes really well. It's very ostentatious. I like it a lot. I think it is really very elegant for a toilet brush holder. Okay, well that's my review on this. I like it a lot. I think it's great. And this should last for a long time. It's stainless steel, so hopefully it won't rust, and has the electro gold plating on it. Okay, well that's my review on this. I hope this helps. If you could take a second and press the helpful button if you found this video helpful, I would thank you. Alright, this is your friend Maui, sincerely Charlie. Mahalo.